Hey there, Sharon, your guitar guide, helping you find your sound. Today, I've got a song by Train called Play That Song. And that's coming up. That's all you gotta do. First, you'll notice that the capo is on the 3rd fret. And the chords are C, F, A minor, and G. So to play the C, this is now the nut of the guitar. So this would be 1. We've got our first finger on the B string on the 1st fret. On the D string here, 4th string, 2nd fret. Cover that up. And then your 3rd finger's way down here on the 3rd fret of the 5th string. And when we're playing the C, we're not going to pick this 6th string. So strum from the 5th string down. And even though this is how you place your fingers to make a C chord, it's not actually a C because now we've got the capo way up here on the 3rd fret. And then we're going to play an F. And to play this F, we're going to use our first finger on the first 2 strings like a little mini bar, and not the kind that you go to and drink at. It's a mini capo right there on the 1st fret. Cover the B and the E string. Then your 2nd finger's right here on the G string at the 2nd fret, and your 3rd finger's going to be here on the D string at the 3rd fret. You're only going to strum from the D string down. Then we've got A minor. So we pick the open A string, the 5th string. Our first finger is right here on the B string at the 1st fret. Your 2nd finger's on the D string at the 2nd fret. And 3rd finger also on the 2nd fret of the G string. So you're strumming from the 5th string down. And then we've got a G chord. We're going to cover your 3rd finger. Well, I'll show you 2 different ways to play the G. This is how I play it. 3rd finger's on the 3rd fret of the 6th string. My 2nd finger's here on the 2nd fret of the A string. Pinky will be down here on the 3rd fret of the E string. But you could also play it like this. You might be used to playing it like that. 2nd finger on the 3rd fret of the 6th string. 1st finger will be on the 2nd fret of the A string. And then 3rd finger on the high E string. Both G's are correct. It's whatever you're more comfortable playing. And for me, it's like this. Alright, so we've got those chords, and this is how we're going to play it. So what we start out on is C, then it goes to F, A minor, G. When it changes to the next verse, it's still, hey, Mr. Guitar. That's all you gotta do. So if you like this lesson, can you click the like button and leave me a comment? This lets YouTube know you like the video and they'll promote it. Thanks, and don't forget to watch that one next.